Hello everybody, welcome to TechTuber. In this video, I'll show you how to record your first macro. So in Excel, go to the developer tab. If you have not enabled the developer tab yet, go watch the video number 1 where I have given the step-by-step procedure how to enable the developer tab. So after clicking the developer tab, click on record macro. Then you have to give the macro name. Give some macro name and click on OK. Now everything you do in Excel will be recorded in VBA format in the backend of Excel. So let's write something in A1. Make it bold and give some color. Let's increase the column width. Now go to the developer tab again and click on stop recording. Now to see the macro, click on macros. You see the macro 2 here and click on edit. So you see the range A1 is selected. Then I have changed the text to test. Again selected range 1. I have given the font bold and give some color, and I have changed the column width. So everything is recorded. Now I am deleting everything here. Now I want to run this again. I am going to this macro and click on run button. You see everything I have done is again run from the macro. So this is all about the record macro, where everything you do in Excel will be saved in the backend as a VBA format. So if you don't know any VBA syntax, then you can take the record macro function to know the syntax. So I hope you like this video. From the next video, we'll go deep into the VBA macro in Excel. So stay tuned. See you in the next video.